What's going on, guys? Eric from Thewiscoguyz, and in today's video we have something special with Big Chev. So, if you don't know, this is my 02 Chevy Silverado 3/4 ton, well, 2500 HD 6.0 gasser. But I found something for it that is like early 2000s, like era vintage for it. So we're gonna reveal it in this video. I'm sure the title gives it away, but we're gonna do a little cold start because it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. It's a little chilly, so let's start her up, piss off the neighbors a little bit. Got the Luma steps. Look at this. Yeah. Thanks, Boost Auto. Those are freaking sweet. Like a champ. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna let this warm up for a little bit, and then we're gonna head to the shop. And I got them in the back of the pickup, so yeah, they're pretty good. I'll show you. Yeah, they're pretty good. So. Alrighty, so what we got here, you guys are just gonna have to see. It's in the back of the truck. I've been looking for these for about a year and a half now, and I have not found a set. But I found them in Upper Minnesota. American Racing AR 647, aka American Racing Nitro wheel. 8 by 6.5. The listing said it should fit 3/4 ton Chevys, so it should fit 3/4 ton Chevys. The kid that I bought it from had it listed for about it was like 11 weeks when I saved it. I don't know how long you had it for, but I had it saved for about 11 weeks. So I had my eyes on these for a while. It was just so far from my house. It was just like, man, be nice to go grab those, but made a deal with them. Got them for a pretty good price. But yeah, we got to get these polished up. We're gonna get these on today, and we're gonna have this truck looking 2000, early 2000, whatever, vintage with those wheels on it. I can't wait to see it. It's gonna be great. I'm pretty much building a truck from my childhood that one of my neighbors had. Brian, if you're watching this, you know what truck I'm talking about. That truck is actually still running around rust-free with another guy, so he owns it, but I actually seen the truck last summer and it still looked immaculate. But we're gonna put these wheels on and we're gonna see how it looks. I don't know what the offset is. I don't know any specs on them. I just know they're 8 by 6.5, 8.5 wide, 16 inch. So, but with that listing, he got all 4 center caps listed with it, along with lug nuts. So we got all 8x4 lug nuts ready to go on. So we're gonna get these on, or we're gonna get these polished up, and then we're gonna get them on. We're gonna be using Mother's aluminum mag, or mag and aluminum polish, so we're gonna use that. So it got one done, polished up. I took it outside. It looks dull in here with the fluorescence, but I took it outside and she is nice. Like, it's polished aluminum, so it's not like chrome where it's gonna be like a mirror, but you get this outside and she is shining. So I got 3 more to do. We're gonna get that done, and then we're gonna get the truck on the lift, and then we're gonna see how these fit on here, what the offset is and everything. So let me get these other 3 done. Alright, you got the old wheels mounted up. We're gonna go get them dismounted from those wheels, tires. So, yeah. Alright, got the air out of the tires here on the old wheels. Chase is gonna help me do this, but he's currently, I think, doing something else. But I don't know how to use this. I don't know how to use this machine. I used to know how to use the old one. This one's too fancy for me, so I'm gonna have Chase mount these to the new, or dismount and mount to the new wheels, and then I'll just.
You make that look way too easy. Because I know it's not that easy.
It really is though.
There's the money shot.
Alright. What do you think? Motherfuckers are good.
Is that a little wide for the tire?
Not really. I've done a lot worse.
Yeah.
Alrighty, got them all balanced out. Got the oil rims there, and then two of them took kind of a lot of weight. I didn't really film it because we were struggling so hard, but yeah, we're gonna mount them on the truck, see how they look. So got the wheels all done and mounted. We'll get them on the truck, see how they look. Ooh, that looks good. Alrighty guys, so we got the rear wheels. So it's been about a week later. I ran into trouble with the center caps that came with the wheels. So being that this is a 2500 HD, the center caps in the rear would not work because of the HD rear end. So I put this up here and they just don't fit. They're not gonna fit over that hub. So I ended up going to eBay and found some 5-inch long center caps that actually fit over that. So we're gonna use these in the rear for the HD hub. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna put these on, and then once we get these wheels on, we will we'll pull it out and see what it looks like. I know the center, I mean, this is the old school logo and this is kind of the new school logo, so it is what it is. It's gonna look a little different, but it's better than painting the center, which Aaron did. He painted it. I've been running it for like a week that way, but we're gonna get that on, look a little better. Alrighty, so we got the truck all washed. We're gonna pull it outside and we're gonna see how this thing looks. Alrighty, we got her pulled out. Let's take a look. We're gonna stand back a little bit. Look at that. Woo! That is vintage 2000 era wheels right there. If you were to see this truck on the lot back in like 04, all decked out, lawned everything, tonneau cover, wheels. The steps are a little newer than what they would have found, but by the way, Boost Auto Luma Step 1 M1, link in the bio to below, but check those out. I got a video on those. But these wheels, I'll tell you. So we got the smaller cap up front, then we got the HD cap in the rear. The stickers don't quite match because this is a newer style. We gotta get this off here too. Look at that. Now it's official. Boom. Look at that. That is sick. I love it. This is exactly the look I was going for, guys. Like that. Dude. American Racing AR 647 Nitro wheels on the 02 Chev Big Chev, aka Big Chev. Let's go to the passenger side. I mean, even the stance got more aggressive. Like, it makes the truck just look taller, looks bigger, has that presence. Just crazy. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm falling in love with this truck again, man. It's so good. Alrighty, well, that's gonna be it, guys. Definitely comment down below if you have a set of wheels like this. Let me know. I mean, if you got there's a couple of different ones out there, but definitely comment below, subscribe to the channel, and thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. See you guys. Bye.